Welcome to IT-Conductor. Today, we're showing how to monitor an SAP Cloud Connector instance from the IT-Conductor platform. From setup through viewing live and historical metrics. Monitoring SAP Cloud Connector ensures it stays available and performs as expected. With real-time visibility into key metrics, you can detect issues early and keep connectivity healthy. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have a monitoring-enabled SAP Cloud Connector account. Depending on the level of access you need, assign one of these roles: administrator, support, display, or monitoring. How to monitor SAP Cloud Connector in IT-Conductor. Now that you have your authorized user, let's move on to the setup. First, log in to the IT-Conductor portal, go to Dashboards, and select Administrator. On the Administrator's dashboard, scroll down until you find the SAP Cloud Connectors panel. Click on New SAP Cloud Connector Instance icon to add a new instance. Next, fill out the following instance details in the wizard. Organization and site are non-mandatory but nice to have for organizational purposes. Next, click on the plus icon to move on to the next page. On the New Account screen, enter the monitoring account information. The application refers to the Cloud Connector instance created in the previous step. Click on the plus icon to continue. Now, you may return to the Cloud Connector Instances panel, and your recently created instance will be there. Its status may stay on ready for a few minutes while IT-Conductor communicates with the connector. Refresh if needed or check the logs icon to review if any error messages pop up. Once connected, the status updates to In Progress. Monitor SAP Cloud Connector in IT-Conductor. Once the status is in progress, navigate back to the service grid and find the SAP Cloud Connector node. Note that it may take up to 15 minutes for the new instance to show up on the grid. Once visible, you can track important metrics like availability, connection failures, heartbeat, memory usage, missing account alerts, and retriever failures. For a closer look at historical performance, click into any metric to view trend charts over time. Next, expand the Sub-Accounts node to see associated accounts. From here, you can explore key SAP Cloud Connector metrics, including certificate expiration, call activity, data transfer for virtual hosts, and tunnel status. These sub-account metrics help you monitor usage, performance, and connectivity health at a granular level. And that's a quick overview of how to set up and monitor an SAP Cloud Connector in IT-Conductor. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see IT-Conductor in action, contact us to schedule a free demo, and visit our wiki to explore more of IT-Conductor's monitoring capabilities.